sarap maglangoy! Ang sarap magtampisaw! Tara! Samahan niyo ako!
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep it running. Yeah. Yeah. Horizon. Horizon. Where the water meet the sky, you can find me. Horizon. Horizon. Find me where the water meet the sky. You can find me, yeah. Horizon, horizon, yeah. Horizon, horizon. I finally figured out that love ain't perfect at all. And if it was, none of us would deserve it at all. We all humans, a step away from setting it off. More concerned with getting money than getting along. Look, I know I fall short a whole lot of times. I know I served a whole lot of y'all a lot of lines. But I've been growing in the shadows trying to prophesy. I'm still the type to fall out of love, then fall in line. Look, a rebellious spirit, seeking peace in nature, gotta keep me near, keep a lyric. Compared to my mind, this muddy water much clearer. Stop fearing, getting left behind and started drop steering. Visualizing peace before it happened, I got mind control. Trying to grow into something better while my time is on. Never know how much I got, I hope it find me though. And if it do, I hope we share it, body, mind, and soul. Where the water meet the sky, you can find me. Horizon, horizon. Find me where the water meet the sky, you can find me. Horizon, 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 horizon. And I know, through the trees, through the breeze, through the leaves, I feel the glow. And I know, through the trees, through the breeze, through the leaves, I feel the glow. And I know, through the trees, through the breeze, through the leaves, I feel the glow. And I know, through the trees, yeah.
What's up everyone? Christian the Packer here. So nandito ngayon tayo sa may Red Beach. Yan, Red Beach. Sa may Beach Santorini. So may mga famous beach dito. Black Beach, Red Beach, tsaka White Beach. So nandito tayo ngayon. Naliligo sa may Red Beach. So paano naging Red Beach to? Napakaganda kasi gawa ng ano to, sa volcanic tubanes. Okay. So, ang sarap magtampisaw, lamig ng tubig. Okay. See ya!
Finally finding me. Third eye opening up so I can see. Finally I can breathe. Loving myself and giving myself everything I need.
Had some rough nights lately, but I'm feeling light. Sun on my face, wind in my hair, color so bright. Tryna smile instead of quick to battle on sight. Loving it now, choosing what's really worth the fight. Lust for the clouds, mountains and the rain. Understanding through my dreams that there's a path to heal pain. Getting lit to stay lit, it just don't hit the same. Got so sick and tired of playing the game.
Hello everyone! Tara at mag-swimming! Sa may Red Beach. Sarap.
Gotta stay in the now. Stay in the now.
Yeah. Finally finding peace. Shatter illusions. Movement sets me free. Finally I can breathe. Surrender myself and now like taste so sweet. Yeah. Hoping I keep moving in the right direction. Gotta take the yin with the yang, it's all a testing. Open to the notion that everything is a lesson, and that we're always being sent another message. Traveling all terrain to gain perspective. Switch the view that said it's true that I'm defective. Been to hell and back, but I continue to stay reflective and give the wisdom all right back to the collective. Let's go.
Can't let it keep me down. Can't let it keep me down. Gotta stay in the now. Can't let it keep me down. Can't let it keep me down. Gotta stay in the now.
Gotta stay in the now.
Red Beach. Grabe. Naano siya no? Wow.